Hello everyone, Miss Johnson here with lesson number 11. And today we are going to be doing a math lesson all about making 10 and ways to make 10 and writing equations to go along with it. So before we left the school, we did a lot of work with our red and yellow counters and these mats on ways to make 10. And remember, we always started off with filling up the mat with 10 counters. So I'm going to go ahead and count 10 counters out. And I have them all on the red side. And a trick for this is I would say, okay, count how many red counters you have and write that number. Get my marker. So I would say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red. Plus how many I have yellow. Well, right now I don't have any yellow. So I would need to put a 0 equals how many are all together. How many did we just count? 10. Okay. Next, I'm going to erase that equation. And I'm going to flip over just one of my counters. Now I'm going to count how many I have red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll write that number. Plus, how many do I have yellow? 1. Equals, what number are we trying to get to? 10. They're always going to equal 10. So I could honestly leave this equal 10 sitting here because everything I write is going to equal 10 because remember we're trying to make 10. Alright, so now I'm going to flip another counter over. And I have how many red? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus, how many yellow do I have? Let me count them. 1, 2 equals 10. Okay, gonna erase my 8 and my 2. I'm gonna flip over one more counter. Let's count how many red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll write a 7. Plus, how many yellow? 1, 2, 3. 3 equals 10. So I could keep going with this all day long. But the point that I wanted to make with this is I just kind of wanted to refresh your memory on using this making 10 dry erase board and really thinking about the combinations it takes to make 10. So here I have 7 red and 3 yellow, and I could just keep going. I could just keep flipping them. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red and 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow. So I know 6 plus 4 equals 10. If I flipped one more, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Another trick I showed you on ways to make 10 was using a rainbow. And we have done multiple sheets that look like this that have had a rainbow on them. And then numbers at the bottom from 0 to 10, which I have 2 5s here. But remember what we did with our pencil or with colored pencils or crayons is we started at one end. So I'm going to start down here. And we went and followed the rainbow and connected 2 numbers. So here I connected 0 and 10. So they go together. 0 plus 10 equals 10. Remember, we're trying to make 10. And then on to the next one. I started at 1 and I followed the rainbow. And that connected me with 9. I got a little off right there. But 1 plus 9 equals 10. So if you keep going on the rainbow to the other side, it would connect you with its partner to make 10. So 5 and 5, 4 and 6, 3 and 7, 2 and 8, 1 and 9, 0 and 10. And then you could go back the other way. 10 and 0, 9 and 1. So those are some tricks to help you remember ways to make 10. Okay, for your task for today, I know that was kind of a quick lesson. I just kind of wanted to review ways to make 10 with you since we did spend a lot of time on it right before we left school. So for your task for today, what I want you to do is I want you to use objects either inside of your house or outside of your house. And I want you to show me at least 2 ways you can make 10 with those objects. So I know that we have done this before with addition and writing equations. But today we're going to do it again. But remember, you have to have 10 objects because we are making 10. So here what I have used is I have used a little bit more of my Easter candy. I'm still not done with it all. And I've used my mini eggs. And I have also used my cubes that I have laying around. You can use toys or cars or Legos you have. You can go outside. I know it's beautiful right now. And use flowers and sticks, whatever you can find, as long as there's 10 of them. So in my first example that I did, I used my mini eggs. And let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'm going to write an equation to go with them. So I have how many blue eggs? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put a 3. Plus how many yellow and white eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know that 3 plus 7 equals 10. So remember, we are making 10. You have to have 10 objects. All right, for my second example, I used my Unifix cubes. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange. So I'm going to put a 5. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. And I know that that equals 10. But I will count them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, guys, that is your task for today. Keep sending me your tasks through Dojo Messenger. I love to see them, especially math ones like these. You all get really creative with them. I've even had some students use sidewalk chalk. If you have sidewalk chalk, you can go outside and write this on your sidewalk. With sidewalk chalk, write your equations outside and then with your objects there as well. As always, if you're going outside, make sure you ask your parent for permission before going outside. But I'm looking forward to see your all's ways to make 10 using objects you found either inside or outside. Until next time.